How to make a bra top. I already did a tutorial on how to go ahead and cut this bra cup. So today I'll be putting all the pieces together. If you have not watched the tutorial, check it on my Facebook page, Anita Handmade Creation. Possibly it's going to be on YouTube. So what I'm just doing here is to go ahead, I'll be pinning all the pieces together. I'll be picking right side, facing right side. I pin them up. Then after pinning, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'll be stitching that up by 1/2 inch. Next thing I will do is to go ahead and fold my bra strap like this, and I'll be stitching that up depending on how long you want it to be. What I have is 1 inch by maybe 30 inch. Like I said, depending on how long you want it to be, you want to be able to tie it at the back. So make it long. You can make it 20 inch, you can make it 25 or 30 inch. Then after stitching, I'm going to go ahead and turn the strap. You can use a safety pin, you can use a loop turner to turn up your straps. After turning up my straps, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. I'll be pressing my bra cup to lay them flat. Then after that, then I'm going to go ahead. I'll be laying my straps at the center of the bra cup. Then I'll go ahead and pin that up. And I'll do the same thing to the other piece. Okay, after so I'll take it to the machine and I'm going to go ahead and stitch that up by 1/2 inch. When I'm done stitching, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and trim all the excess I don't need. Then I will turn it to the right side. When I turn it to the right side, I'm going to take it to the ironing board. I'll press this up. Okay, I have to press this up so that everything should lay flat before I go ahead to continue. I already went ahead and press it up. As you can see, the next thing I'm going to do is to get up the band of the bra. I'll just notch the center. Then I'm going to go ahead now. I'll be placing my cup from that center. You can leave 1/2 inch from this center, or you can join them up together. This part is optional. As you can see, I just started right from the center point. I'm just going to go ahead, pin them up. After pinning it, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead. I'm going to stitch that up to secure it up. When I'm done stitching, I'm going to go ahead. I will put my strap inside so that it should be out of the way when I'm stitching. Then fold up my band over like that. I'm going to go ahead and pin that up. Now at this end, what I'm going to do is just to go ahead and stitch up like this. You're going to give it a small curve right there. I don't want to stitch it straight. Okay, I'll do the same thing here. And then when I'm stitching, I have to leave at least 4 inch open that will be able to turn up the top to the right side. When I'm done stitching, I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the right side. Then I'll be pressing everything up, close up the hole that we left. Then make sure everything is out to go ahead and press it up to lay everything flat. And this top is done. It's very beautiful. I hope that you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, and it's a handmade creation for more tutorials. Bye bye.